Hi garden lovers, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why some gardens seem to burst with life while others struggle, even with regular care? The secret isn't more water, more fertilizer, or expensive sprays. It's something smaller, much smaller. Today I'll show you 5 powerful plants that invite nature's secret weapons into your garden. Beneficial insects. These tiny helpers fight pests for you, boost your flowers and fruits, and keep your garden balanced. And the best part? They work 24/7 for free. Before we get to the plants, let's quickly meet the heroes. First up, ladybugs. You've seen them crawling on leaves, right? What you might not know is that just one ladybug can eat 50 aphids a day. Imagine a whole army of them cleaning your garden without lifting a finger. Next, hoverflies. They look like mini bees, but their babies are pest-eating machines. And the adults? They fly from flower to flower, pollinating as they go. Think of them as little gardeners with wings. Then we have the parasitic wasp. Don't worry, these guys don't sting humans. But to pests like caterpillars and aphids, they're deadly. They lay eggs inside the bad bugs, stopping them before they cause real damage. Of course, we can't forget bees. Without bees, we wouldn't have cucumbers, melons, tomatoes, or even flour. More bees equals more food. Simple as that. And finally, the beautiful butterfly. They're not just pretty, they help pollinate too. And when they show up, you know your garden is truly alive. So, how do you invite these tiny helpers? With plants. Not expensive gear, not special sprays, just plants. Here are 5 you can start with. 1. Dill. Not only great in the kitchen, dill flowers attract ladybugs and parasitic wasps like a magnet. Let it bloom and nature will do the rest. 2. Sweet alyssum. This flower may look delicate, but it's a hoverfly magnet. The scent is sweet, it grows fast, and it brings in the insects that protect your vegetables. 3. Lavender. Imagine bees and butterflies dancing around your garden all summer. That's what lavender does. Plus, it smells amazing. 4. Fennel. It grows tall, it's beautiful, and it's a favorite hangout for beneficial insects. Just like dill, it brings in lacewings and ladybugs. 5. Marigold. This one's a powerhouse. Not only does it attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies, but it also repels harmful ones like nematodes and aphids. Bright, bold, and protective. Now here's the trick. Don't use chemical sprays. They kill the good bugs too. Instead, let your garden work like a team. These insects will protect your plants, increase your harvest, and bring your space to life in the most natural way possible. So which plant are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural, practical gardening tips. Right from the soil to your soul. Thanks for watching. See you next time.